I'm so tired of seeing all the TikTok shop vacuums that are picking up rice on wood floors. Like, that's not even an example of a good vacuum. That vacuum sucks. I have 3 dogs and a toddler. I have area rugs all over my house. I'll show you the best vacuum that is cordless and maneuvers really well. This is the baby right here. I'm gonna show you guys like a few seconds of how much this thing's gonna pick up. And this is $50 off right now, Black Friday sale with Amazon. Empty. I'm gonna turn this on. Look how much dog hair that picked up. I'm even gonna drop some kibble for you guys, but realistically, kibble is probably on the floor rather than rice. You can get this with the little blue button. If it's not showing up, you can click the comments and it's probably there, or check out my storefront, link in bio.